Oh, that's done. CPU's in, RAM's in. And system. CPU on. Done for magnetic screwdrivers. There was a problem, might have been a problem with this board. It was a seller return. Or maybe she just didn't do it right. We'll find out. Said it wouldn't post. Maybe she was using the wrong RAM. I don't know. Okay, that's done. Board's installed. Now to collect all the other goodies. All headers. Might have to consult the book. But yes, probably. Installing Windows 7. Well, need a new monitor. I tried to put the hard drive from that junker in here, but it wouldn't recognize it. Having all kinds of problems. So I started with a plain hard drive, and it is booting from a USB, which is neat. That's about that. My new rig. Wait, where's my flashlight? There's the light I was using. It was still crappy. There's the old hard drive from my hunk of junk. I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna wipe it. Sell that little gateway. It's sitting in the other room. But I went back to Windows 7. My first ever build. My first build at 55 years old. On the kitchen counter, it's the best light I had. I'll just take some stills. My idea of cable management, about as good as it gets, at least for me. Didn't clip those off because they really weren't in the way. As you can see, there's no video cards. I'm not a gamer, so I didn't get one. The VIVO Athena model. Display port adapter to HDMI. just and microwave. Nice reflection. Don't want to get my fat ass in there. No reflections of me. The board, MSI Z170. I flashed the BIOS, went to the MSI site, and downloaded the update, and flashed the BIOS. It's ready for a Skylake, but I'm going to stick with the Skylake processor, Pentium 4520. But the board, I got it as a seller return. The reason was, on the box it says that couldn't get it to post. And I thought, well, I did my homework kind of, a little bit. It's either something wrong with the board, which is not very often. I mean, considering it was an MSI, I figured it'd be alright. So I figured it was the person, human error. It posted without a problem. I think they were either using the wrong processor or the wrong kind of RAM. That's about that. Thanks for watching. Oh, and take your time to do it. You know, it's a lot of fun. I'm quite pleased with myself. I'm proud of myself. Connecting those header pins down at the bottom were a pain in the ass. That's why that's not going to be on this video. This isn't a tutorial. I don't do those. But even a noob can do this, you know, like me. I'm not a complete noob. I know other things, but you set your mind to it. Take your time. But it was cool. I mean, I've got some older video on this thing. I was trying to install a Windows 7 all-in-one from a USB, and it started to install, but it wouldn't. It installed, but when Windows was starting, it would go through a loop where you had to start Windows, you know, automatically. Press that, you know, enter the, you know, I can't think of the words. This is early. I haven't had my morning coffee. And troubleshoot it. It just wouldn't start. It wouldn't boot Windows. It uploaded the, you know, the ISO file without a problem. You know, got it all that and everything. But it wouldn't load from an all-in-one ISO. So it's running Windows 10 without a hitch. Enough of that. Thanks for watching. Description and the parts and everything will be in the description. Thanks for watching.